In this video, I will show you step by step on how to source for item and pay to supplier on Pinduoduo shopping app, step by step tutorial without any strike. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent or a procurement coach, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to source for item, how to pay supplier on Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Alright, having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you want to do is to search for the items. You can search for item in two different ways. The first way to search for an item is to type the name of the item you are looking for on the search engine right here. You are going to see a lot of results. Another way to search for an item on Pinduoduo shopping app is to click on the camera icon right here, which stands for image search. After you have successfully searched for an item and you have had item to cart, next thing you want to do is to visit your cart. For you to visit your cart, all you have to do is to make sure you click on here, then take you to your profile right here. So for you to access your cart, you have to click on here. Then from the very point here, this is where you need to choose the item you have added into the cart and make purchase on Pinduoduo shopping app. So these items right here is the one I'm going to purchase straight up. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. Having selected the item, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. Then at the very point here, you can scroll down and see the preview of the item. So you can see the preview of the items right here. Once you're satisfied with the item, next thing you want to do is to make sure that your Alipay is checked, and then this one right here is checked. So at this point here, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, I'm paying the sum of 30.90 yuan to purchase that single item. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on confirm. At this point here, I have to enter my payment password. Boom, it's as simple as that. So you can see payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on done right here. Then at this point here, I need to click on here to close this bump up. And I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the item we just purchased right here from Pinduoduo shopping app. So this is how to source for item and how to add item to cart and how to make payment to Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.